Hello and welcome. I'm here to present a presentation about biogeocycles and what you should know about them. Biogeocycles. In ecology and earth science, biogeochemical cycle or substance turnover or cycling of substance is a pathway by which a chemical substance moves through biotic and abiotic and compartments of earth. There are biogeochemical cycles for the chemical elements oxygen, phosphorus, selenium, and sulfur, molecular cycles for water and silica, macroscopic cycles such as the rock cycles, as well as human-induced cycles for synthetic compounds such as polychlorinated biphenyl. In some cycles there are reservoirs where a substance remains for a long period of time. There are 7 types of biogeocycles: carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, nutrient cycle, oxygen cycle, sulfur cycle, rock cycle, water cycle. Let's talk about carbon cycle. The series of processes by which carbon cycle compounds are interconverted in the environment, involving the incorporation of carbon dioxide into living tissues by photosynthesis and its return to the atmosphere through respiration, the decay of dead organisms, and the burning of fossil fuels. According to astronomy, the cycle of thermonuclear reactions believed to occur in stars. Let's talk about nitrogen cycle. The series of processes by which nitrogen and its compounds are interconverted in the environment and in living organisms, including nitrogen fixation and decomposition, is called nitrogen cycle. Oxygen cycle. The oxygen cycle is the biogeochemical transition of oxygen atoms between different oxidation states in ions, oxide, nutrient cycles. A nutrient cycle refers to the movement and exchange of organic and inorganic matter back into the production of living matter. The process is regulated by the food web pathways previously presented, which decompose organic matter into inorganic nutrients. Nutrient cycle occur within. Rock cycle. The rock cycle is a group of changes. Igneous rock can change into sedimentary rock or into metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rock can change into metamorphic rock or into igneous rock. Metamorphic rock can change into igneous or sedimentary rock. Igneous rocks form when magma cools and make crystals. Water cycle. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds, and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Water in different phases move through the atmosphere. Sulfur cycle. The sulfur cycle is the collection of processes by which sulfur moves between rocks, waterways, and living systems. Such biogeochemical cycles are important in geology because they affect many minerals. Biochemical cycles are also important for life because sulfur is an essential element, being a constituent of many proteins and cofactors, and sulfur compounds can be used. Global sulfur cycles involves the transformation of sulfur species through different oxidation states. Effects of industries present in Chandigarh on all these biogeocycles. There is well-defined system in the industries of Chandigarh. Also there is a well-structured pipelines for the removal of the waste so that if could prevent from leakage of waste minerals. Also, the solid waste has been properly dumped and put at a proper place of waste. The Chandigarh has been divided into sectors, but there is a special area for the industries which is known as industrial area. The industrial area has been little far from the city so that to prevent pollution from the citizen. The measure has helped Chandigarh to maintain water cycle. From the last few months, Chandigarh oxygen cycle is not in control because of industries present there. Now government has taken serious action against these things. As per the new rule, Now air waste has to be filtered and then released in the air so that we can control the increasing level of carbon dioxide and maintain the level of oxygen. The overview of effect of industry on biogeocycles in Chandigarh. Consequences of global warming. Global warming is expected to have far-reaching, long-lasting, and in many cases devastating consequences for planet Earth. Global warming, the gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere, fuels that pump carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Despite political controversy about climate change, a major report released September 27, 2013 by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change stated the scientists are more certain than ever of the link between human activities and global warming. More than 197 international scientific organizations agree that global warming is real and has been caused by human action. Causes by global warming include increase in average temperature and temperature extremes, extreme weather events, ice melt, sea levels and ocean acidification, plants and animals, and social effects.